Welcome back guys to another one. Today let's have a look at another critical item from my point of view for any survival setup, the way to make and start a fire. From what I have researched, there are so many options to choose from, and I have settled for 3 variants myself for that extra backup just in case mentality. I have a fire striker, some waterproof matches and this survival lighter from Untitled. Today I will cover this one, which is the Maratac Peanut XL variant. I already have the initial generation on my keychain, which is the Peanut lighter. Fantastic piece of kit. Well, why these? Well, Untitled is famous for making these bomb-proof fully sealed lighters that are basically a Zippo lighter in an enclosed cylinder. The quality is top tier and they are made in-house by Untitled. They offer them from stainless steel to aerospace aluminum, brass, copper and even titanium. Then basically there are 3 sizes to choose from as per the date of this review. We have the Split P, which is the smallest, then the Peanut, the one on my keychain, and then this XL, which is the one I decided to put in my EDC pouch because just look how big it is and overbuilt. Thus it holds as much as 3 times the fuel capacity of the Peanut and up to 5 times respectively when compared to the Split P. Mine is the anodized black variant, for which I paid around 30 bucks, and everything is upgraded including the spark wheel over its smaller brothers. Being supersized, now it's even easier to use with or even out gloves and even single-handedly. The top cap will accept even 550 paracord like I have done for easy access to either take it out of my securing strap in the pouch or even in your pockets, and of course if I drop it in the wilderness, that bright orange will make it easier to spot. I wanted to get the red one to start with, but it wasn't in stock, so the black one was my second best available option. It weighs around 55 grams, which is what, 2 ounces, and as you know, any cheaper or knockoff fuel lighters will only last maybe a few days if you're lucky, because it boils down to mostly of the level of seal it can provide. Thus all Maratac lighters have this O-ring, which is part of the secret for its high ability to contain the fuel for prolonged periods of time. Okay, now the question everybody wants to find out. So I have filled the XL with the Zippo lighter fluid to about, let's say, 80%, just because I understand that's good practice to never fill them to the max. This was when I did my first video for the EDC pouch, which was the 12th of February 2020. Basically, I got a lighter one day before I made that video. Then like once a month I tried the lighter to see if it still works. I did this for about 3 months in a row and it was still working perfectly with a healthy big flame. I tried it again in the summer and it was still working. 1 year later, here we are now in February, and I tried it and of course it was empty, so I have no idea how long it actually lasted since, let's say, July. But it's safe to say, yeah, it can preserve the fuel without any issues even for months on end. For actual usage, of course that will depend on you. Once I take it out in the field more often, then I'll get back to you with even more feedback. Regarding the flame, because the lighter is so big, as you can see I was outside where it was already pretty windy and the flame was going strong. Then it didn't go out even if I tried to kill it on purpose with more abrupt movements. What else? The fact that it has a flat bottom, it's perfect to be used as a candle, but of course if you use it for long periods it will get really hot if the flame bounces around its body. Given its overall shape, this is way more comfortable in your pockets as well, so it's a true EDC item. I like it so much that I will get another one so I can have one in my car, for example, and maybe the titanium one for my personal collection. We'll see. Well, there you have it guys. If you are looking for a fully waterproof survival lighter that will preserve the fuel for the longest possible periods of time, well, look no further than the Untitled Maratac XL, since in my opinion it's that good. So guys, what survival lighters do you use? Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Alex out.